The Starter Kit Bundle. Packaging your first 3 products for brand new followers. Give first-time visitors one easy yes instead of 5 confusing choices. A brand new follower clicks through from your bio link and sees 9 products stacked in a grid. An ebook, a course, a template pack, a coaching call, a membership. They don't know your world yet, don't know which one is for them, and don't have 5 minutes to figure it out. So they close the tab. This is the most common way creators lose money they never see. Not a bad product. Just too much choice at the moment. A stranger needed one obvious next step. The fix isn't a better product, it's a better front door. A starter kit bundle takes your 3 smallest, fastest to finish products, wraps them in one welcoming offer, and gives cold traffic exactly one easy yes. Why cold traffic needs a different offer than your regulars? Someone who has followed you for 18 months already trusts your judgment. They'll buy the $97 course because they've watched you deliver value for free week after week, and the price feels earned. A brand new follower has none of that context. They found you through one reel or one lucky algorithm push, and they're evaluating you, not your product. The Starter Kit bundle compresses the trust-building process into a single transaction. Pay a small, comfortable amount, get real value immediately, and walk away thinking, okay, this person is legit. That one purchase does more for your business long-term than selling your flagship course to a stranger who was never going to say yes to it anyway. This is also why the Starter Kit belongs at the top of your page. Spend 20 minutes in your store designer making sure the newest, most beginner-friendly offer is the first thing a first-time visitor sees, not your most expensive product, and not the oldest thing you ever published. Choosing the right 3 products. The instinct is to bundle your best sellers. Resist it. Your best sellers are priced for people who already know your work. Bundling them cheaply for strangers just trains your best customers to wait for the discount. Instead, pick from the shelf of things you'd almost call too small to sell alone. A 5-page checklist, a single preset, a short template, a 10-minute mini lesson. Individually, they might feel too thin to charge full price for. Together, as a welcome offer, they become exactly enough. Because the goal isn't to transform someone's life in one purchase, it's to prove you can be trusted to deliver. The 10-minute rule. Every item in a starter kit should be something a stranger can open and get value from in 10 minutes or less. If it takes longer, it belongs in a different, more advanced offer, not the welcome bundle. Pricing it like a welcome, not a fire sale. A starter kit priced like a doorbuster discount reads as this creator is struggling. Priced like a genuine welcome gift, it reads as this creator is confident enough to be generous. The difference is framing, not math. Say your 3 components would normally list at $9, $15, and $12 separately. Don't slash that to $5 out of panic. Instead, price the bundle at something like $19 and say so explicitly. 3 resources, normally 36 combined, yours for $19 as a welcome offer. You're rewarding someone for showing up, and that framing alone tends to outsell a deeper discount with no story attached. Keep the number low enough to feel like an impulse decision, not a let me think about it one. To see how a real storefront sequences a low-cost entry offer next to bigger ticket products. A live example store is worth 10 minutes of study. Building it so the quick win promise is actually true. None of this works if delivery is clunky. The entire pitch of a starter kit is speed, pay, get value, feel good. So the technical experience has to match the promise. This is where checkout does the quiet heavy lifting. A buyer pays with a saved card, Apple Pay or Google Pay, and gets a secure download link on screen immediately, plus a copy by email as backup. No waiting for a creator to manually send files at 11 p.m. No DM back and forth. No check your spam folder anxiety. For a first-time buyer deciding whether you're trustworthy, that instant automatic handoff does as much persuading as the products themselves. Pick 3 items, each completable in 10 minutes or less. No flagship courses, no anything requiring homework. Package them as one product listing with a name that promises an outcome, not just starter pack. Price it as a stated discount off the combined value, not a mystery number. Place it as the first or second item a new visitor sees on your storefront. Confirm the automatic delivery message and download link actually fire correctly on a test purchase. Add one line in the product description inviting buyers to reply to the confirmation email with questions, routed straight into your inbox, turning the quick win into the next sale. The starter kit's real job isn't the $19. It's what happens in the 48 hours after someone buys it. That purchase puts a brand new customer on your customer list, so you can now email them directly instead of hoping the algorithm shows them your next post. A short, warm sequence. Here's how to get the most out of what you just bought. Followed a couple of days later by since you liked that. Here's what people usually grab next. Turns a $19 transaction into the start of a real relationship. Set it up once as a broadcast campaign, and it keeps working on every new buyer automatically. A time-limited discount code for your flagship product, sent only to starter kit buyers, is one of the highest converting emails a creator can send because it's reaching someone who already paid you once and already got value. The starter kit isn't there to make you money. It's there to make the second sale easy. Common mistakes that quietly sink a starter kit. Bundling in something advanced for extra value. A 40-minute course module breaks the 10-minute promise and makes the kit feel heavier than it should, hiding it at the bottom of the page. If a new follower scrolls past 6 other products to find the beginner offer, it isn't doing its job. No explanation of what's inside. B. Starter kit. $19 with no description makes people guess. Spell out what the 3 pieces are and what each one solves, treating it as permanent. Swap one component every month or 2 based on what buyers actually open and use. Check your analytics on Pro to see which pages get revisited. Quick gut check. Remove the discount framing entirely. Would a total stranger still say, "Yeah, that's worth it" in under 5 seconds? If not, the kit needs simpler pieces or a clearer promise, not a lower price. None of this requires a big catalog or a big following. Just one clear, small, well-delivered offer sitting at the top of store.fan, your name. List 3 small pieces of value you already have sitting around and let the bundle do the work a wall of 9 products never could. If a question comes up while you're building it, contact support instead of losing momentum on launch day. Key takeaways. New followers need a single low-friction decision, not a menu of 9 products competing for attention. The best starter kit is built from your smallest, quickest to finish items, not your best sellers or your most expensive ones. Price it as a genuine welcome deal, not a discount dump, so it reads as generous rather than desperate. Instant, automatic delivery is what makes the quick win promise actually true the moment someone pays. One well-placed starter kit at the top of your storefront can lift overall conversion more than adding another product ever will. Start your creator store free at store.fan.